Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Happy Bringling. I am now again coming back to our same topic of Titan contest. Now, let me give you a little background about what we started off with Bringle in 2016 and the way we were talking about and trying to understand this entire ecosystem of education, employment, and entrepreneurship. We started with a very small thought process of setting up an education franchisee model or an education system where we will be training people on technology. These were the training programs we were training in. And in just 18 months of time, we have had trained more than 30,000 students with around 40 plus team members, and we had around 20 plus centers in Mumbai and around. And one of the realization was that with this kind of capacity and that pace, we would be able to support only a limited set of people, and it would require a large set of infrastructure and efforts to really reach out to billions of people. In fact, 7.6 billion human population, which is there today. And we wanted to identify or understand that how we can grow this and scale this up to a larger community, to a global community, and have a more cross-border interactions with various different aspects, be it the management level, be it the school children, be it the college students. And we had identified, categorized them entirely into 8 verticals. One, school children; second, college students; third, corporate professionals; fourth, person with disabilities; fifth, uh, college dropouts; sixth, your entrepreneurs and business owners, trainers and mentors, and women. All of these categories were created after a lot of research and speaking to various experts and mentors who have kind of guided us that each segment requires a different kind of an approach, different kind of a content, different kind of problem areas do they have. And because of that, they will require a different kind of ecosystem. And that's where when we started off this initiative, we identified that the one of the biggest problem today in the industry is realignment of the entire ecosystem. When I say realignment, so there is a study from McKinsey or Harvard Business Review, I'm not very sure at this point in time, but it says that 80% of the people who are tried in an organization were hired at the wrong place. And 50% of the college students who are getting into remedial programs are unable to clear it, which means that we are having a big problem with respect to the industry, with respect to industry matching the skill sets. And this starts from as early as when we start going to the school. And I would like to play a small video before we move forward, and then we will kind of explain to you on that. So Simran, would you be able to play our Bringle Academy corporate video on bringleacademy.com website? And while she's playing that video, let me give you a perspective out there that this entire process of alignment, it starts from in three. It can happen only in 3 steps. One, skills profiling. Second, holistic skills development, and third is 100% job assistance, which means that you actually match your skill sets with the core jobs role which you can perform, and eventually you find the best jobs in those areas. And that's how you can grow. You can find out the best job skill set. And 80% of 3 billion job candidates or the job workers are actually sitting at a wrong place today. So with this, let us play the video for you, just a 2 minutes video. Are you living your childhood dream? How many of you are in a career that you dreamt of? Does your job match your qualifications, degrees, or skills? As a child, you had dreams. You wanted to be a champion at whatever career you dreamt for yourself, but you didn't know how to pursue them, mainly due to lack of available guidance or a platform that could nurture you to realize your dream career. And as you went on studying, what came your way, those dreams faded away. It is not just the job seeker who lacks career guidance, resulting into high learning curve, but even the corporate world is beaten by the mismatch of supply and demand of employees as they struggle to find suitably skilled candidates. We have developed a system which can identify inborn skills of an individual at any stage, upskill them, and place them accordingly, which means the right man at the right job. As a result, a realignment that would benefit the whole system. An idea can lead to a transformational change. And we at Bringle Academy have such transforming ideas and are ready to execute with extremely great quality content, advanced technologies like artificial and emotional intelligence, big data analytics, and robotics. If you are looking to make best use of resources, then there would be no better place than Bringle Academy. So, with this, let me just give you a little background about myself first before moving forward. And this will help you to understand that I am a very strong process excellence expert. And I've been always thinking about that how we can do this entire realignment. And that is where when I filed my patent in 2017 about end-to-end platform on education and career life cycle. So my name is Anshav Jain. I'm actually born and brought up in Delhi. I've done my engineering from Delhi College of Engineering, which is one of the top five engineering institutes in India today. And I have worked 18 years with corporates, with global MNCs into business process reengineering, business strategy, business development, and digital transformation practices. Have deployed more than 1,000 projects, which has given around 100 million plus of hard dollars of hard savings to the corporates with respect to either revenue realization, revenue leakages, stoppages, protection, or cost optimization, or any kind of working capital enhancements. And being a data analytics professional, I've been always focusing on numbers. And numbers are going to be very, very important in every scenario. So when we are building up this entire platform, we are now when we started off, we looked at that we will be able to reach out to a certain community. And today, sitting in 2020, we took a target to have a vision of 2020 to 2030 to transform 1 billion lives, 1 million businesses, and 100 unicorns. Now, this is impossible to attain unless we have a complete support or we have the people aligned into that. And that is where we decided that we will have 100,000 transformers who would be working with us eventually in this decade to support us to make this initiative. Now, I had a very jet rocketed, skyrocketed career. I was the youngest vice president in a global MNC at the age of just 34 years, and I was the highest paid vice president at that time. One fine day, and everybody has ups and downs in their life, and this is why I'm sharing this story with you, because you should feel that I am not superhuman. I'm also a human being like you. If I have been able to do this and reach to this level, anybody can do it. And that is where we are building up this platform so that everybody, whoever is struggling at different stages of their life, be it starting crisis, be it midlife crisis, or the restart crisis, we want to support each and every segment out there, right from a school child starting 6 years or 7 years old, to somebody who is kind of probably even 70 years, 80 years, or till the time they want to keep their learning or education cycle into that. So we want to help create an ecosystem around that. So just coming back to my story, so I was 34 years old when I lost my job. I was highest paying professional. Somehow the company couldn't survive, the recession which was going on at that point in time, and I came into the radar because of the highest paying person out there. And I had been asked to leave the job in just in a flash of a second. I had EMIs, I had personal responsibilities. I didn't know what to do. And actually, I call myself as an accident entrepreneur, because that was an accident which made me decide that I have to do something which is different from a job. I had done enough for the corporates. I have done, and even after that also, I've worked in some jobs, probably not of my own, capabilities, maybe 50, because to survive the financial situations. But I had made up my mind that I will want to create an ecosystem wherein nobody should be having that feeling that they are, they struggle at these situations, either from a job loss, or if they want to start their businesses, they should have some support system. Because when I started 7 years ago, I had no support system. There was nobody who could even tell me that, how to validate an idea, what to do, how we can survive in the ecosystem, what are the different stages, what is something called product market fit strategy, what is business model, how do you raise investments, how do you set up the right processes. See, of the only thing which I was knowing was the process and digital transformation, which was my expertise. But applying that into a business was very difficult. And in the last 7 years, I've actually lost 7 businesses and more than $300,000 of debt by now, and lost all my investments just to make sure to learn the practices of entrepreneurship. Everybody says that there are multiple hats an entrepreneur has to wear. But how many of people have actually told how many hats do they have to wear? And which hat to wear at what time? Nobody has told you that. And that is where, when I realized that there is a different education system it needs to be provided. And if you see in our college or school education system, we don't get that kind of a mindset or thought process that we can become an entrepreneur at one point in time. So that financial knowledge, that financial education with respect to business, with respect to entrepreneurship, is not there at all. The students which has their growing age, the learning age, they learn only academics, which is only used 10% in their entire career. And once they start joining the the corporate life, or maybe they start doing their own business, they struggle. And if they have to change their lives, their careers, they have no support system available because they don't know. So it is not about, first of all, being one thing which I've realized in my career is that I had been a very go-getter, or target oriented professional. That was my strength. That is my strength even today. I'm a very methodical, very planned person. I can project manage things, large projects I can manage. And those things have made me successful in my employment journey. But there are certain different traits or certain different things which I need to learn while being an entrepreneur. After losing my 7 businesses, I had transformed Bringle from an offline business center of 20 plus centers and 30,000 students to around 1 million learners as of today, with 50,000 plus experts community, which is spread across 50 plus countries. And we have a global organic reach of 200 million plus viewers in 140 plus countries. This is proven by the Google Analytics Forum. So this is how we have been able to grow. We have practically 0 offices today. That's the kind of scale we are able to bring in because of our digital platforms which we have built in today. And I'll speak about those aspects, how I'm able to do that to this level, and bringing it to this level of scale, and managing it with a very small team size is going to be a very important aspect for any business owner or an entrepreneur. into that. Now, be it a trainer, mentor, coach, consultant, or you may be a solopreneur, you may be an entrepreneur, you may be a business owner. All these practices works exactly the same. And in today's scenario, if you are struggling into different stages, there are 5 stages into your entire journey. The first stage which comes in into which is wherein you only validating your idea, or you are just trying to understand what could be your micro niche where you can focus and which target audience you can focus. The second stage comes in where you do the product market fit strategy, creation, and actually try and test it out. The third stage comes in where you actually start deploying that marketing strategy, see the sales, how it is coming in, monitor the data, and see the right, what is being accepted by your customers. Then you go to the fourth stage, wherein you start setting up your business processes and systems. And finally, you will be able to scale it up with respect to finance, financial modeling, making it identifying your intellectual property rights, looking at a legal complications, and eventually raise and make yourself as an investment ready company, or a business model, whatever you want to say that. So this is where we wanted to understand, we have understood about the entrepreneurship segment. And when we did this and we had this entire conversation last year, when we took this initiative of transforming, or I would say vision of 2020 to 2030 to transform 1 billion lives, 1 million businesses, and 100 unicorns, we were thinking how we will be able to do that. As a team, we had a discussion, and then we realized that the one people, we will be required are going to be experts. We will be requiring that the mentors, coaches, who are who are, have been doing so much great to the society, and how we can leverage them to give it back to the society now. We had set up a team of Super 30 batch last year, and around 3 startups we have started up, which we call it as unicorns in making. And this year we are targeting to bring in 111 transformers and around 12 unicorns in making. We will be taking it across, and that is why we want to reach out to all the experts out of the globe, across the globe. Be it entrepreneur, you should have that entrepreneurial spirit, you have that expertise with you, and will want to work with you. So we are looking at identifying and those titans, we call them as titans, or who are going to help us to work on this skills crisis. Because across the globe, one of the big problem today in the corporates also is reskilling. There is, whatever their current skills are, they're not enough. If you read the Deloitte report, they very categorically said that more than 90% of the C-suite employees are actually looking to reskill their entire teams within the next 3 years time. As per World Economic Forum data, 54% of organizations have already started reskilling the entire workforce. And this was before pre-COVID data I'm talking about. Post-COVID, this reskilling has completely changed, because now you need to learn not only about digital technology, but you should also be knowing about your domain knowledge in a different way. You should know how to measure it, how to put it up right measurement systems, how do you manage your teams, how do you build your capabilities, or I would say skill sets, over a virtual experiential learning platforms, how you can integrate the learning into the job of flow of work, rather than looking at an aspect of it wherein you will have to pull the people out from trainings from their regular work and then put them into a training room, and then eventually they will come back to their work and forget everything. So the training need assessment, trainings effectiveness monitoring will be very essential for reducing the learning curve in the corporates. On the other hand, our education system needs to be entirely changed. There has to be a holistic skills development which needs to be there. So when I talk about today, our education system focuses only on one component, which is your intellectual component, and that too also from an academics point of view. The intellect will require little more aspects of it, but it is little very, not to that extent which is being supported out there. But there are other four components, which is your creative quotient, your emotional quotient. You, a leader, any manager, any employee at any stage has to be empathetic today to the customers, empathetic to the customers, to their peers, to their seniors, to their juniors, everybody. Your emotional, your mindfulness quotient. Healthy mind stays in healthy body. If you're not healthy, emotionally, spiritually, or I would say, you can say body, mind, and emotions, you will not be able to grow in the life, and you will have challenges. Life will give you challenges. There will be ups and downs. Unless you're a strong emotional leader, your mind, you're strong mentally, it will be very difficult to come up the learning curve. I have gone through multiple downturns. Every day as an entrepreneur, I face challenges. I feel that what am I doing? Why I'm doing? While I'm moving towards my larger vision, we have a plan for 2050 also. But we have to see what we will do in the next 5 days, or 10 days, or 20 days, or a month. And every day I have challenges. So if you're not creative enough, or emotionally strong and mentally strong, it won't be workable. The fifth question, which is very, very important, is financial question. And this is one area wherein 97% of businesses dies out today. This is one reason of that, because they focus only on doing things or developing products without realizing that they have to be sold. The cash flow management, the financial aspect of it, the business part of it. How will you generate revenues? I have seen this, and this has happened with me also. It's not unnatural. It is common. It has happened with me as well. We get in so much of love with our products that we forget that the products we are building for, or the services, is for somebody else. And if they don't need it and they are not ready to buy, what is the point of creating those products? And that is why more than 90% of patents lies unutilized. They actually don't see the light of the product also. And even if something has taken a light of, become a product, the commercial aspect doesn't suit it. So the one difference, what we want, we work with our transformationist, what transformation which we work in our transformationist community is basically to transform their mindset first, bring them to an entrepreneurial mindset, make them aware about those 4 hats which they can wear, and at what time they should wear those hats. And there is a webinar on that which I've recorded it. Our team will send you that link in the comment box. So please go through that if you want to understand what are those 4 hats which an entrepreneur should wear, but one at a time. And the topic is 4 entrepreneur hats to wear while having an oat meal. Go through that webinar, you will get to know more understanding. I'm not spending too much time on that. But coming back to this, now what we are trying to do is we are trying to recognize all the experts who have done really great work in the coming until 2020. And we would want to, create their value proposition, convert that into a real value, which we can create develop which we can kind of translate that into an effective results into the society, so that we can give back to the society in that manner. See, there will be, we are building up right now, and I think if you can check my post by tomorrow, you will find that post. We are actually building up the world's largest cross-border virtual skills development center for 8 verticals, and investing around $100 million in this decade. This is what our vision, which we are developing with Bringle, which we started off with a small one center in Mumbai. And from there, now we are looking at developing the world's first and largest cross-border virtual skills development center, which comprises of all the 8 verticals. And we will be supporting each target segment with our standard methodology, which we call it as design your unicorn methodology, where you can sustain, adapt, and scale up your business ventures right from an idea level to $1 billion enterprise or a unicorn. And we focus only on profitable unicorns. So we will require all those experts who are into different domains: data monetization, business processes, business development, sales, marketing, content delivery, your experiential learning, technology, your financial modeling, cash flow management, so many things. And we will require those experts. So we are trying to we will require those people. So there is a workshop, 5 days workshop, which I am planning to conduct to fine tune your value proposition, whatever you had been doing, and how we can create a strong purpose. You are already passionate, and I can see with all the so much of good work which is happening in the society today, and in your own domains you've been working. What I want to do is I want to bring passion, use that passion and tag it along with a purpose. And this purpose is to transform 1 billion lives, 1 million businesses, and 100 unicorns. And this is not possible with me alone. I have taken this mission, I have taken this promise to myself. I am going to do this. I have already started. We have built up a team of Super 30 transformers. It is growing further. We have started 3 startups, which we are taking it up to a unicorn level. And already we have gotten some more people interested into it. So we are looking at only 111 transformers in this year, even though we are talking about 100,000 transformers in the entire decade. But right now, I want to work with very selective people so that we know the challenges of each person and how we can contribute towards their issues, and we can align our missions together towards this. You call it as Atmanirbhar Bharat. You call it as $5 trillion economy by 2025, as per Prime Minister's Shri Narendra Modi's vision. Whatever you talk about, but this is only India. We want to do it cross border. And right now, India, being an Indian, I would want to support India the first. There's so much of work which we can do sitting in our Bharat today. So we should be focusing on bringing everything, entire knowledge out here and help Indians. And there are so many Indians across the globe. They can get benefited. You should also check our Digital Future magazine, which we had, there was a 10-week series in digital transformation in education sector of called Making the Virtual World Alive, and how we have created an entire magazine, digital magazine out there. And that details also, that picture also will be shown, put up into the chat window on the comment section. Please check it into the comment section on the Facebook Live. And you will also get a 10-week series virtual reality link also out there for you to watch it. So check that out. Now what we are doing is we are looking at at a community, looking for those titans into that. We are finalizing our juries for this award, who will be selecting the right candidates for the award, with whom we will be working completely and taking their journey towards the next level. We'll be working along with our vision, their vision together, to support and to this entire gigantic vision. And that's where we will be conducting a 5 days workshop. It will be a live workshop by me, where I'll be working with you on your strengthening your value proposition, identifying your sales and marketing strategy, how you can do it, aligning it with the technology platforms, how we can scale it up, what kind of content building we can do, what kind of growth we can bring in, which industry we can target it, and then we will together work on this for the next at least 1 year, and eventually it can go further as well, depending on our association. But at least for 1 year we'll focus very dedicatedly to grow that ecosystem and take your support to build at least one unicorn with you in your particular expertise. That's the idea which we are looking at, and this is where we would be wanting to work with you. If you are interested to support us in this vision, please join our WhatsApp community. This 5 days live workshop will be a paid workshop, wherein we will be working with you, and whoever will get selected, will be passing on through that, clearing that jury panel process. We will be working with them to the next level. So this is how we are going to work with all of you on that. And as I said, we are going to look for only 111 transformers. And this contest, this 5 days workshop is there, uh, for it will happen probably either on a monthly or a quarterly basis. But this time, we will be doing it in the first one in mid March. Sometime we'll release the exact dates. Please join our WhatsApp community, the group, or visit top100mentorsclub.com. You will be able to reach out to us in our WhatsApp communities. Uh, our team will send you the Bringle Titan WhatsApp community group link, WhatsApp group link into the chat window in the comment section, and you can join that. We will communicate with you over there, and whoever will be ready to go through this workshop, we will be sending them a link, and then eventually you will get redirected to a private WhatsApp group, wherein we will coordinate further with you and work and fine tune your value proposition. Before your submissions, you can do your submission to the jury panel on that. So that's the idea into it, so that we don't miss out any expert who can you know really add value in the ecosystem. And that's why we have launched this contest right now. And I thought I'll just share that, come live and share that with all of you. uh, we are currently working with many other initiatives. You can check our Bringle Academy page, Facebook page, LinkedIn page, or Instagram, like Sampoon Nari for women. We have started a new initiative called Rubaru for having know your child concept for parent-child bonding relationship, and developing EQ and social quotient of a child from age group from 7 to 14 years of age. And we have launched programs on now on recruitment, the job assistance platform, wherein we are supporting you to clear your interview process, uh, helping you to find out the right jobs. We are starting up something on for the disabled segment with Vardhan for you. You can check that on that, wherein we are supporting people with disabilities, persons with disabilities, on their different aspects of education, employment, and entrepreneurship, and even with respect to any kind of health challenges which they are facing. So anything which they will require, we are creating a whole ecosystem. You can reach out to Sharmila Diwatiya. She is the co-founder for the same, and she's working on that as well. You can reach out to us at info@bringleacademy.com for any assistance, and visit these pages. Our team will put up into the comment section. So if you are a trainer, mentor, coach, or consultant, visit top100mentorsclub.com. If you are an expert, if you are an entrepreneur or a business owner, visit designyourunicorn.com. If you are running a training institute or a college or a school or a university, and you are looking for experiential learning platforms with gamifications, virtual labs, virtual conferences, virtual programs, virtual webinars, events, or any kind of technology in terms of simulations or content development, you can check bringleglobal.com. And if you are a user and you're looking for a training programs for yourself or for any kind of a job assistance, please go through bringleacademy.com. So you'll get a lot of details out there. And I'll be looking forward to see all of you, all of the experts in Bringle Titans group, and we will take this journey towards to the next level. I am very, very excited, and I am actually having, kind of uh, tingling sensation in my mind, in my entire body right now. And that's what Bringle is all about. Bringle is actually a coined word called brain plus tingle. When you receive that, you get the tingling sensation when you achieve your ideas with your hard efforts, with your great efforts you've been putting in, and the kind of feeling you get. That's what Bringle is all about, and that's why we always say happy Bringling. So if your ideas, whatever comes in, you put them into execution, you will get that feeling of Bringling. So I would say happy Bringling, and looking forward inviting all the experts across the globe to join our community and interact with me. We'll keep sharing few information. There'll be a Google form attached into that. We'll be sharing with you. Connect with us. You will find our community managers Priya, and our support executive Simran out there as well. You can take their help. Uh, Feel free to reach out to any of us, including me, and we will be able to take this forward towards to the next level. We are looking at the next leap in this year 2021, where we are targeting transforming 10 million lives, almost 25,000 businesses, and we will be looking at developing 12 unicorns into this. So we are looking for all of your support. We will require these numbers to support to this large initiative. So please come forward and join this initiative. We'll be looking forward with to all of you to join this community, and will definitely be able to achieve this mission. We will have Atmanirbhar Bharat or $5 trillion economy for India, whichever you talk about, but let us do it. And once we are able to do it for India, I'm sure we can do it for for other places as well. And I'm happy to collaborate and work with investors, with other participants or experts all across the globe, if they want to contribute and support digitally or any other kind of support within their ecosystem, within their country. So looking forward for the same. And thank you so much for listening to me today. Keep bringing, keep growing.